I'm Mrs. Hasty, and today we're going to have fun with two-dimensional shapes. Let's start with a rhyme. Do you know what shape this is? What shape this is? What shape this is? Do you know what shape this is? This is a circle. Do you know what shape this is? What shape this is? What shape this is? Do you know what shape this is? This is a triangle. Do you know what shape this is? What shape this is? What shape this is? Do you know what shape this is? This is a square. Do you know what shape this is? What shape this is? What shape this is? Do you know what shape this is? This is a rectangle. Do you know what shape this is? What shape this is? What shape this is? Do you know what shape this is? This is a rhombus. Do you know what shape this is? What shape this is? What shape this is? Do you know what shape this is? This is a pentagon. Do you know what shape this is? What shape this is? What shape this is? Do you know what shape this is? This is a hexagon. Look at all of the two-dimensional shapes we have on our board. These are called two-dimensional shapes because they have two dimensions. They have a length and they have a width. Just two dimensions. We look at two-dimensional shapes and we name them based on their sides and their corners. The first shape in our rhyme was a circle. It has no corners and it has perfectly rounded sides. The next shape we did was a triangle. Triangles have three straight sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. This is a square. It has 4 straight sides and 4 right corners. That means the corners are perfectly 90 degrees, like the corner of a room. The next shape we did was a rectangle. A rectangle also has 4 straight sides and 4 right corners, just like a square. But on a square, all the sides are the same length. On a rectangle, only the sides across from each other have to be the same length. This is a rhombus. A lot of people call it a diamond. A rhombus also has 4 corners and 4 straight sides. Do you remember the name of this one? It's called a pentagon. A pentagon has straight sides. How many straight sides does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagons have 5 sides and 5 corners. The last shape in our rhyme today has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners. We call this shape a hexagon. All these 2D shapes, we see them all the time. We have them around our house. We see them out in our neighborhood and in our community. Have you seen any of these shapes today? Let's play Schoolhouse Sort and see what I found around my house that had these 2D shapes. Here's my schoolhouse. I put the items I found inside. Let's sort the items I found by which shape they are. Let's see. Do you have one of these in your bedroom? It's a hanger. If you don't look at the top, you can see that this shape is a triangle. 1, 2, 3 corners and 1, 2, 3 straight sides. What else did I find? An Oreo cookie. Yummy. What shape is this? No corners and perfectly round sides. This shape is a circle. Yes. What else is in here? I found some sticky notes. These sticky notes have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. This is a square. What else? This is one of my math triangles. It's called a triangle because it has 1, 2, 3 straight sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. Let's look again. This is a book I got off of our bookshelf. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. There are 3 of our shapes that have 4 corners and 4 straight sides. A square, a rectangle, and a rhombus. Well, these corners are right angles, like the corner of a room. And the sides are not all the same length. So this shape is best described as a rectangle. Let's see what else I have in my schoolhouse. Look at this. This is a plate from a tea set, and it's a circle. No corners, rounded sides, circle. This is a yummy chip I got from our Chex Mix bag. This has 1, 2, 3 corners and 1, 2, 3 straight sides. It's really little. I don't know if you can see it well, but what shape is this? It's a triangle. You're right. Let's keep going. This shape was a little bit tricky, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mostly straight sides. This shape looks a lot like a pentagon. You're right. Do you see this? This is a coaster we use to put hot drinks on by our couch. This coaster has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides that are all the same length. This is best described as a square. It's almost the same size as the square on our board. Just a few more items. What shape is this? This is from a train track that we have in our house. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4 mostly straight sides. This looks like a rectangle. Yes. 2 more things. This is a spinner from playing math spinning games. What shape is this? Yes, this is a circle. No corners, perfectly round sides. Circle. Last thing in our schoolhouse is my business card. What shape is my business card? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 right corners and 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. The sides aren't all the same length, so this shape is best described as a rectangle. Thanks for doing Schoolhouse Sort with me today. I wonder if you can find anything around your house that has the 2-dimensional shapes that we worked on today. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle, rhombus, pentagon, or hexagon. And don't forget to come back again for more learning fun. Keep learning at home by eating shape snacks and identify which shapes you're eating. Build 2D or 3D shapes with toothpicks and Play-Doh. Go on a walk outside and see how many shapes you can find. And there's always printable resources available at my teacher store at teacherspayteachers.com. Don't forget to subscribe.